Hey, Tyler.
Ready?
Don't know what
Right,
I'm
to
going to
the
do.
side.
This. Right, you're going to have to lift it up for me. Right, and then you tilt that end. Right, there's your legs.
Hi, Tyler. Someone push it.
Oh, no.
No, we push it. No.
Sam, this has got to go on Facebook.
No, it doesn't.
On YouTube.
Right, are we going to
Yeah.
wrap this now?
No!
No.
No, she's enjoying it. Because she says she's going to go round now and not round the garden.
No, no, she's not.
Mum, let it go.
I can't. Careful.
Let her walk.
Sam, caption, first class postage.
It's like being drunk.
Oh, no way.
Get her up.
We can't.
Are you ready?
Let me
Come on,
be.
Sam, you can walk now. She's alright. She's taking the
She
mic.
can walk.
Just walk round her.
She's just got a wobble.
Hello, Tyler. How do you feel about this, Tyler?
Hey, Sam, you can get a thing. She can't do anything.
Help, we've got a dog.
Hey, look at that. So easy.
Oh, Reba, go away.
We are cruel people.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello, Ruben.
Reba, put her down.
Hello, Ruben.
How do I get up? I'll help you now. Are you ready? No, get off!
I'm just going to sit here.
Out, my legs. My legs. Andy, lift. Lift.
Hey, it's just unwrap it.
Aww.
I'll get it. You're
No,
alright.
you're alright.
No, I'll get it. I know what I'm doing.
I've seen that look as well.
What am I gonna do? Nothing. I'm gonna unwrap you.
And this is the unwrapping of
Right.
Tyler.
Andy.
Now.
Oh, dear.
Oh.
No, you can't unwrap it here. You've got to move it up. It won't.
This is going to go horribly wrong.
Now. Right, what we need to do.
Andy.
No, it's easy. I'll show you.
We need to stand her up and then turn around.
Stand her up.
Move it over. Right. Take your glasses off.
No.
Oh no.
No, no. You're not.
Don't jump on her.
I'm not gonna jump on it.
Can I jump on her?
No, you're spoiling it. Come in. I'll get it.
Can I jump on
Dead
her?
easy.
Please.
Right, what you do, you get the bubble wrap, right?
No,
You get a bit.
I'm going to buy it to the table.
Right, and then what you do, turn it. Oh, it's not picking up. Right, you just keep on.
Legendary.
As fast as you can, like this, right? You do it to
I
size.
think
You know
Tyler's,
what I mean? Right, you just keep turning it like this.
I think Tyler's gonna vomit.
Just keep.
I think she's gonna throw up
Right, you just gotta get it. You just gotta
violently.
like this. Right? Right.
Okay.
Then what we do, so I'm going to go around there for this one. Right. No, just hold it there. Dead easy, this one.
Right, go.
No, leave it. Wait,
You're right.
Get it now, right. Let go.
We shimmy him out, do we?
Go on.
No, everyone let go.
Go on.
Move. So, you ready?
I am.
You want to fall later on this one?
I'm
Okay.
not going to fall off the back
No,
of the table, am
I
I?
promise.
Okay.
You ready? We got it. Suck.
Oh my days, this is amazing. This is actually amazing. Tyler, here's what you used to be. This is what you used to be. Oh, the joys of being 14 or 13.
Hello.
Shake her like a sock and pull it off.
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
What?
And she's finished. Oh, you go. Are you cold?
Oh,
Bless
wow.
you. Bless you. Bless you.